How to make public on BeReal. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make public on BeReal. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the BeReal application, let's first visit the App Store over here, or if your Play Store if you have an Android, and search for BeReal, and let's check if our app is up to date. So once you are in the app page on your App Store or Play Store, let's focus on this button right here. If that says open, that means that your BeReal is currently up to date and you're good to go. However, if it shows an update button, you have to update your BeReal because it is currently outdated, and this is also to ensure that you'll have the latest features within the app. Once you have made sure that your BeReal app is up to date, let's just go ahead and open it. So to make your BeReal post public, let's just try and take a BeReal right here on my account. Once you have taken your BeReal post, what you're going to do next is to click on this icon right here, or this option right here, right beside the location option that says My Friends Only. So just click on that, and the window about selecting your audience will pop up. So you will have two options. You will have the option to share it with only your friends, and also to share it with everyone on BeReal or on the discovery page, where everyone can have access to it, and where everyone can basically see your BeReal pictures. So to make it public, just simply click on the discovery option right here, and it should be set like that. And what we're going to do is just to click send right here, and that will be posted on the BeReal platform. You can just add a caption by clicking on that, and like that, and you can go to the discovery tab to see the other posts of other BeReal users. So that is how you can basically make public on BeReal. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.